What's up, Avery?
Hey.
Where you been at, man?
I was doing a movie this weekend and celebrating.
Wow.
And it's not out just yet. There's no actual release date, but it is coming soon. It is called Guardians, so be on the lookout for that. Rick Walker, he's the producer.
So what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video from TM University. And I promised you the last time that I was gonna, bring out. And
I just need.
Here is Avery today. What's up, Avery?
Hey.
Where you been at, man?
I was doing a movie this weekend and celebrating.
Wow.
And it's not out just yet. There's no actual release date, but it is coming soon. It is called Guardians, so be on the lookout for that. Rick Walker, he's the producer.
Are you working, man?
Pretty cool.
Yeah. I wish I'm on the movie set.
It was just random. Honestly, I didn't know it was gonna actually be real because all the scams are happening right now. So I was like, oh, let me just shoot him an email, and boom, it just kind of happened.
Wow. See?
So don't ever hesitate on something because you never know where it's gonna take you.
Yeah, like they always say, good things happen to those people that go out to look for it. You can't just sit down at home thinking, somebody's gonna knock at your door for a movie role or for whatever. You just have to take the leap, the leap of faith, and see where it lands you. So today, before much ado, we're just gonna, go straight to the topic that we have for today. And what do we have to talk about today, Ava?
Well, I think it was over financial literacy and just kind of understanding money and budgets.
Money.
Little things we can do to better our future for retirement and kids' savings, your mortgage, things like that.
Wow. So in a very, because I don't want to waste your time, I don't want to waste my time. Very, short way. Can you tell us, what do you do when it comes to, financial
understanding? So for me personally, I am my own personal accountant. So I keep my receipts filed at the end of the year. I'm a personal expenses, that's what they are. Sole proprietorship, make money off of that. So your business miles, your client meetings, your meals, your clothes you buy, things like that can be tax write-offs without being an S Corp or LLC. So, I am a licensed life insurance agent, and that's not to scare you. It's just to show you that I'm professional and know what I'm talking about. So with that being said, there's different vehicles and people that can help you to kind of utilize your savings or what's left over, so that way you're not just spending it on unnecessary things. As far as budgeting, if you're not making sure you know how much is coming in every month and how much is going out as far as your bills or your income, that's where you need to start.
Wow, that was very impressive. The last time you were saying something about universal...
Yeah, so an IUL, it's an Index Universal Life policy. So basically there's tons of different policies. This is one of the better ones for young adults as such, because you get your death benefit and you're also accumulating cash over time and it's building